Hello, so my name is Wasim. I'm the project coordinator of EALU-AER. So EALU-AER is a European project funded under the CINEA agency, and it's part of the SESAR Joint Undertaking. We are Digital Sky Demonstrator. Our partners include like ourselves. We're the coordinator of the project, but we work as well closely with Collins Airspace as our use-based technical providers. So we work as well with JetBlue and Train that are working hand in hand, looking at the social acceptance element, regulations, standards, and also skills gap analysis. We also work with the Shannon Airport Group as they are the owner of the infrastructure. We together are working on upgrading the current infrastructure we have in Shannon to be able to operate these drone operations. So we work as well with MANA as one of the drone operators in this project. We work closely with the air navigation service providers in Ireland. So AirNav Ireland are very supportive and very engaged into this project. One of the main reasons is to enhance the communication between the air traffic controllers and the drone operators.
We're going to do a demonstration with a modular US-based infrastructure from Collins Aerospace, in which we are deploying different systems such as Skyler radar for surveillance, Collins Aerospace services for UTM services purposes, and a CMPC radio to demonstrate the reliable C2 links.
Damiano Taurino from DBlue Italy, and my role in the project EALU-AER is coordinating the regulatory activities, so collection of data and further recommendation for the development of the space in Ireland and in Europe.
I'm Aurora De Bortoli Vizioli, also from DBlue Italy. My role in the project is to assess the social acceptance level of urban air mobility and drones application. And we are studying which are the opinions and issues and concerns of the Irish population toward this new reality.